Yo, what is up, all you funnel hackers? Guess what, guys? I have a couple of things that I want to bring to you, to all you funnel hackers out there that are supporting me. A couple of three little bonuses. So we all know that we have 300 different landing page templates and over 60 different niches. We also know that I have that Chrome extension, that you guys have that Chrome extension that you can pretty much copy any other ClickFunnels landing page and paste into your editor, so you can stop paying those guys $1,000 to design the landing page and another $1,000 to actually write the copy. Because I found that really just stops a lot of people from getting into digital marketing, getting into online business, getting into just e-commerce and online sales and stuff like that. Because it costs a lot of money to get into it. So go on all those days, because we have something really great for you. Obviously, we have the landing page. Obviously, we have that ClickFunnels landing page cloner, which, by the way, we're also working on making that compatible with Go High Level, so you can clone any Go High Level page as well and paste in your own Go High Level membership as well, editor as well. So in addition to having that, we have three really cool things that I want to talk to you about. The third one is actually the best one that I think you guys are really going to like. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so you actually check out what that secret third tool is that I really do believe, well, as a matter of fact, I know will actually really help your business. So, what do we have? Well, let me tell you guys. So first thing that we have is a way to teach you how to run, like no BS, how to run Facebook ads profitably. And gone are those days where you're paying $9.97 to learn how to run Facebook ads. And usually what that comes along to is usually a 6-week course I teach us to run Facebook ads, where the first 5 weeks are just BS, fluff. And the last week they actually teach you how to run an ad. Well, let me tell you something. The biggest thing you need to know about running an ad is you need to know three things. And I'm about to break it down right now, but I'm going to go a lot more into detail in it in the actual course. So obviously, you got to know how to craft an offer, guys. Because the difference between what people want and what people need. Let me say. So people buy off of emotions. They buy what they want. That's why the people spend thousands of dollars on every single new brand new iPhone, but they're not willing to spend $1,000 on things that make them money. So I'm trying to say is people buy off of emotion based upon what they want, what they like. People are more willing to spend $1,000 on an iPhone than $1,000 on a course that will make them money. There's plenty of other examples I can get into that, but I'm not going to talk about that. Oh, one more example right there. Saturday nights, people are so willing to spend hundreds of dollars on getting drinks with their friends, but they're not willing to spend $100 on a brand new book that's going to teach them how to make money. All right, I'm done with that. So the offer, obvious, we got to get the offer down. The targeting, guys. Targeting is so important, because if you're sending these ads out to the wrong people, it doesn't matter how good you offer out. Yeah, it doesn't matter how good your offer is, because the right people are not going to watch it, meaning no one's going to buy it. Third thing that we got for you. So we got the offer, we got targeting, and then overall the concept on how to really split test. You got to understand the way people think, the way people perceive you ad. So for example, the way people perceive you ad, they obviously, picture gets them to read the description, and the picture gets them to read that little headline. The headline gets them to click on the description. The description actually convinces them to go to the landing page. Landing page convinces them to do the conversion that they want. That's all about split testing. You got to know that. You got to know that formula in order to really split test your ads and make you ultra profitable. Because realistically, guys, once you get that right ad that works, you're golden. Because think about it this way. There's no difference between, the ad doesn't change whether you're running a $10 a day budget or you're running $1,000 a day or $10,000 a day budget. All that stuff stays the same. As long as you got your ad running, all you have to do, as long as you got your ad properly making a good ROAS, return on ad spend, all you have to do is add zeros. So if you figure out that this is one ad that every time you put $10 in on an ad, you make $20, add those effing zeros, baby. All right, so that's Facebook ads. YouTube course is what we're also going to put on there as well, because guys, let's be honest, Facebook and YouTube, honestly, they're not that hard. You got to understand how to use them, and people will charge you around anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000 a month to run your Facebook ads and Google ads. And usually when you're just starting out, you can't afford to pay somebody 10 G's a month to start your ads. That's what I'm trying to say. So I want to teach you guys how to at least get started, delivering you some profits, so that you guys, once you understand how to run Facebook ads and YouTube ads and those stuff, you can hand it off to somebody else. Once you actually are making considerable amount of money, then hand it off to somebody else. Delegate to somebody else to do it for you. So, part 2, what else am I including? YouTube training, boys and gals. YouTube training, Blade, what is that going to teach you? Well, same thing, pretty much same concept with the Facebook ads, but the two main things, the main principles that you guys need to really know about YouTube ads are, for example, obviously the offer. The offer has to attract people for 7 seconds. So the video needs to grab their attention, because after 7 seconds, they're really not going to watch and they're just waiting for the skip button. First 7 seconds, you need to grab them the offer and need to generate an offer that resonates in their mind, that resonates them, that actually gets them to actually click it. Because YouTube is kind of difficult, and that's going to get into my second portion. Because let's say you're running YouTube ads, but let's say that you're running YouTube ads at 3 a.m. on some BS Comedy Central, maybe running an ad, BS Comedy Central, maybe you're running at 3 a.m. on a Twitch streamer. Maybe you're running a BS ad on I don't know. Those examples are ads that you're probably not going to run on, because the reason being is because people are at 3 a.m., they don't want to do SHIT. People that are watching Comedy Central at 3 a.m., they're about to go to sleep. People watching those Twitch streamers, those gamers, they're probably not going to want to click on your ad, especially at 3 a.m. when they're about to go to sleep. They don't want to do anything. They just want to skip the video. They just want to watch videos until they fall asleep. So what I'm trying to say is you need to learn how to target people specifically, so that when they're most active, when they're most engaged, when they're not at work, when they're not going to go to sleep, but at the specific time when they're watching videos that motivate them to actually want to engage, to actually want to do something. So I'm going to give you a prime example. Let's say that you have let's say you're a consultant, and you have two options here, guys. Let me give you two options just to break it down, make it simple. You're a consultant, you're running these ads, you're pushing out these YouTube ads to people, try to get some more people so you can consult. And you're running these ads, and there's two options here. You're running ads to a Gary Vee video. If you guys know who Gary Vee is, he's a big marketer. You're running ads to Gary Vee video, marketer / motivational speaker. So you're running these YouTube videos to Gary Vee's, retargeting people that watch Gary Vee's that also clicked on your page, and you're also running an ad in comparison to a Twitch streamer. So before the Twitch video or their YouTube video, they're playing a game or whatever, they watch your video to consult. What do you think people are more willing to click on when they're actually feel motivated and like, now I got to do my stuff, Gary Vee talking about motivation and everything? Or would you rather put out a video in front of these people when they're ready to go to sleep and they're ready to just knock out, just laugh a little bit over a Comedy Central or a gamer online? It's kind of a no-brainer right there. Obviously, if you split test it, the videos that you put in front of like Gary Vee or a motivational speaker, somebody right like that, they're going to convert a lot of people, because people are in the mindset to actually want to grind. People are in the mindset that they're inspired, and they actually in their mindset that they're going to do the type of conversion that they want, because they're more engaged, they're more involved, they're more motivated, because that's just based upon the videos that they're watching. Pretty cool, right? There's the course right there, guys. It's over. No. So pretty much the YouTube course is also going to teach you that stuff, but a lot more in detail. Obviously, guys, I don't like fluff. I don't like BS and stuff like that. So it's getting straight to the point in the Facebook video and the YouTube videos. All right. In addition to that, guys, what else do we have, Blade? Thank you guys for staying this long. By the way, if you guys need help with anything, click the link down below. Be more than happy to help you guys out. All right, whatever it is, if you need a strategy session, if you need Blade, tell me the next steps you need my business. I'm on it, guys. All right, whatever you need, new website, but whatever. And website, get on something. So, guys, the third bonus that we're actually including in this, and this is going to take another month to actually fulfill, but we actually do custom orders right now, but we're actually doing fully built, tailored CRMs. So what does that mean, Blade? Let me tell you guys. So what do I mean by CRM? Is a client relation manager, pretty much a sequence to onboard clients literally while you sleep. So what we actually use is we use Go High Level. If you guys haven't heard about it yet, what are you guys doing? I'm not joking. So Go High Level is this 10-in-1 platform where it has like ClickFunnels, it has MailChimp, it has Zapier, it has Google Sheets, it has blah, 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 blah. And it even has its own app, guys. And what we do is, I already have a couple of CRMs built out, for example, for realtors and credit repair companies. We're finishing up the chiropractor one right now. But pretty much what I mean by this is, guys, let's say you got this amazing landing page and you're ready to drive traffic to this landing page. Well, guys, you need a way to let's say you're a chiropractor, you need a way to booking those adjustments while you sleep. You need a way to take those traffic that goes over to your page when you're not available, that goes over your page, that they opt into something. You need a way to get those people to book. And what we have, actually, what we recently developed is an AI booking software. So in addition to having nurture campaigns, emails, text messages, and voicemails going out for 30, 90 days to these people to handle every single situation that might arise, we also have an AI booking bot. So let's say that they come in from an ebook, okay? They put in their name and their phone number. What this AI bot, I call it Eliza, what Eliza is going to do is this is going to contact them through the text message and be like, hey, I heard you were interested in getting adjusted. Or, hey, I heard you're interested in this product. Hey, I heard, well, not over the phone, text them. I'm doing that. But I text them, hey, I heard you're interested in XYZ. How about you book an appointment and we can get you rocking and rolling. I don't know, I always say rocking and rolling. But hey, that's pretty much what it does. It's an AI-built software that gets them to book an appointment, and it actually conversates with them. So if there are, let's say, hey, let's say they just opted in, the bot's like, hey, let's book an appointment. You're like, okay. The bot's going to be like, okay, when do you want to book an appointment? I have tomorrow in the evening available, and I have tomorrow at night available. You're going to be, the person, the customer, the client, whatever, is going to be like, how about we do sometime Wednesday? The AI bot's like, okay, let me check really quick. It's literally going to say HMM. Let me check real quick. And it's going to check in the calendar whenever you're available. And it says, great, I have from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. available. After that, I'm kind of booked for the rest of the day. When are you available? And they're like, the person responded be like 10. And they're like, sweet, I'll book you in. It's just an AI-driven bot that's designed to conversate with them to actually get them to schedule an appointment. And the beauty behind this, the reason why we use this, is because when it conversates with them, it actually looks organic. It looks like somebody's actually doing it. So you're not getting this bot that's just, it's like Mr. Roboto, okay, let's schedule an appointment. You know, it uses grammar that we do, you know, like, yeah, sure. Well, that's not probably not a good example, but it uses like emojis. It try to make it look as human as possible, you know? So instead of always saying, how do I explain this? So instead of always just sounding robotic, sounding super, super uptight and super professional, it occasionally would use sure or okay, maybe with 2 Y's, using a couple of emojis, things like that, just to make it seem like it's coming from an actual human being. That's pretty much the best way of explaining it. I mean, if you guys want to check it out, I'd be if you guys want to check out that, I'll be more than happy to show you guys. All you guys do is click a link down below, schedule a strategy session with me, and I'll be more than happy to show you that. Or you guys can just get started right away. Click the link down below, check out Funnel Hacker Lab, check out those landing pages, and as soon as you pick out a landing page, guys, depending on what niche it is, we probably already have that CRM ready for you. So if you're an e-commerce, guys, all right, if you're in e-commerce, we probably already have that. We already have the landing pages for you, but we probably already have the CRM built out for you. If we don't, we can tailor it out to your own business, guys. And that's the beauty, because all these CRMs, they're not like templated things, okay? What we do is we customize it to your own business. We brand it to your own business, all right? So we don't sound like robotic, just like I was saying before. So guys, long story short, long video, trying to make it short. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in checking out Funnel Hacker Labs, obviously we got a plethora of things to make you successful. Obviously, we got the 300 different landing page templates in over 6 different niches, which I'm also expanding to around 500 within the next 2 months. Well, we also got, like I said, we got that Chrome extension that allows you to clone any ClickFunnels landing page and paste into your own ClickFunnels editor, which we're also implementing into Go High Level. Well, we also has the Facebook ads course. That's no fluff, no BS, straight to the point. Facebook ads course. We got the YouTube, no BS, no fluff, straight to the point YouTube training. And we also have, like I said, we have custom CRMs that onboards clients while you sleep. All right, cool, guys. And if you guys want one more other thing before I head out, we're also making an organic marketing training course as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out that link down below. If you guys need help with anything, please let me know. Schedule a strategy session with me. The link is always down below in the description. You guys know where it is. And check out Funnel Hacker Labs. It'll help you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. And I'll see you right at the top. Peace out.